Hi, welcome to Dr. Feldhake and Associates.
Welcome to Feldhake and Associates Complete Dental Care. My name is Dr. Richard Feldhake, and I am a general dentist here in Glendale, Arizona. Also an office in Scottsdale, Arizona.
My name is David, and my oldest child needed some special dentistry. She's a special needs child, and she had surgery a number of years ago where during the procedure 4 of her front teeth were knocked out, and we had a very difficult time finding a dentist who would take her case and put implants in that she required. After a number of phone calls to different people, once they found out that she was a special needs child and had a lot of medical issues that they had to deal with, they tended to shy away. Dr. Feldhake was recommended to us by the dental coordinator of the insurance plan because he knew him personally, and he was very happy when he was called to see her and take her particular case. We've been seeing him for about 2.5 to 3 years now. And she just recently did have her frontal implants put in about a month ago, and it's something where it's been almost not life-changing, but she's been able to eat foods that she hasn't been able to chew or bite down on for the last couple of years, and now she's relearning how to eat certain foods the correct way. There was a time where we've been working with him with 2 other oral surgeons for future surgeries also, where he basically put a stop on everything because he didn't like how the teeth were coming in or how the implants were forming with the temporaries and the surgeries that she's had on her upper lip, and he wanted the best cosmetic outcome for that. So we waited, and we had the oral surgeons wait until Dr. Feldhake felt that she was ready for the additional surgeries that she had. We've been very happy with her results, and she's been very happy coming here and seeing Dr. Feldhake and having somewhat of a personal relationship to him too. She's the type of person that once she gets to know somebody, she will start pulling tricks on them, and she's starting to do that with Dr. Feldhake because she knows him, and he thoroughly enjoys receiving those type of relationships with his patients.
At Feldhake and Associates, there are 4 dentists. Myself, Dr. Shannon Cohen. She came from A.T. Still University out in Mesa, and she does general dentistry, cosmetic dentistry, Invisalign. She's an awesome young dentist and really is great with children. Dr. Lonnie Ekman, again, he's from A.T. Still University out in Mesa, and he does IV sedation and is a great asset to the practice. And Dr. Anthony Hero. Dr. Hero and I have been practicing together for several years. Dr. Hero's father and I have practiced together for almost 20 years. Dr. Hero's father is a MD anesthesiologist, and he is an anesthesia provider for me at surgery centers and now in my office. He does general anesthetic while I do the dental treatment. Dr. Anthony Hero came from dental school right into practice with me and learned how to do IV sedation and so forth, and he does provide those services in the office. We have 2 offices, one in Glendale, 5310 West Thunderbird Road, Suite 111, which is just about a block and a half east of Thunderbird Samaritan Hospital. The closest cross streets are 59th Avenue and Thunderbird. And we have a second office in Scottsdale, 10565 North 114th Street, Suite 105, a complex called Mirage Crossings. It's at Frank Lloyd Wright and Shea.
My name is Timothy, And we have a 16-year-old boy with Down syndrome. And we moved here from South Carolina in 2007. I think a lot of people are worried about how their child's going to be treated at the dentist's office when they have a kid with special needs. And we have found by working with dentists who have this practice, a specialized practice, makes the whole experience much better. It's been great for him and great for us. This is our second dentist now. Of course, this is in a different area of the country, but he's been just as good as anybody we've ever had, if not better. And the staff, what I really like here is that the whole staff welcomes him, tell him to relax, it's going to be fine, and they do everything they can to make him feel comfortable. So his going to the dentist as a kid with special needs, and sometimes, you know, that can be very difficult for some dental offices, it's not an issue here at all. He's been great to our son, and we enjoy coming here.
We have a lab technician that is right here on the premises in Glendale. That allows us to have custom shades done, allows us to do things other offices would have to send out or wait on. If you want to make an adjustment to something before you cement it, you're able to do that right then and there. You are able to make temporaries and so forth without having to take impressions, send them to the lab, bring them back. We're able to do things in a lot more rapid manner in the office and get it done because we have the lab right on the premises.
My one daughter with special needs has had a series ongoing of dental issues. She has a cleft lip and palate, and also she's had a tremendous amount of bone deficit in her maxillary area, which is her upper jaw. And due to that, we've always had a very difficult time finding people that wanted to deal with our very specific problems. She has had to have bone grafting many times and has had tremendous dental issues that, although it's quite common amongst cleft palate children, we had a very difficult time finding people that wanted to take on the additional role and specialized problems that our daughter needed done. And you know, when we came to this practice, it was so reassuring to us because the doctor was able to, it was like a non-issue. Oh, sure, I can do that. And he took us through the steps and the procedures for our special needs daughter, and we had a marvelous outcome. And there were several steps that we went through, but the steps were all progressing towards the right goal for our daughter. My daughter felt very special, and the outcome was phenomenal. And we couldn't be more pleased. And trust me, we have looked far and near, and this place is the place to come.
Your first dental visit is a comprehensive dental exam, full mouth set of x-rays, and if appropriate, we'll clean your teeth. Periodontal disease is a hard disease to diagnose and treat, and sometimes people that haven't been in to have their teeth cleaned and checked for some time, they need more comprehensive cleaning than just a routine dental prophylaxis. Once that comprehensive exam and x-rays is done, we're going to give you a treatment plan. We'll give you an ideal treatment plan. We'll give you alternative treatment plans. And then we'll discuss with you what's best for you and what will fit into your time frame and your budget.
I've almost forgotten what it was like to not be able to smile. It's so cool to just self-express without worrying if you really laugh and show your teeth. You know, what are people going to be looking at? I don't worry about that anymore. And as a result, I have a whole new life.
You can expect quality, comprehensive, friendly, caring dental care by all the people that are in my organization. And come by for a complimentary consultation anytime.